How to cancel Canva Pro subscription. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a browser and head towards canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on this dashboard, navigate to the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. From this menu box, you have to click on Settings. So once you're under your settings, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down and head towards Payments in Plans section. There you have to click on Billing option. So under your billing, if you have made any pro subscriptions on Canva or if you have the pro subscription account, you will see information about that in this page. So what you have to do is navigate to the pro subscriptions, click on the three dot next to it. Then there you'll find an option as cancel plans. Click on cancel. And on the next page, you may be prompted to enter the reason. So follow the on-screen instruction properly where you may be asked to enter your reason why you want to cancel the subscriptions. After that, confirm your cancellation, and once you're finally done with that, your Canva Pro subscriptions will be cancelled in your account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.